If you're new to affiliate marketing and you're wondering what the best ways to get started are, stick around for this video because that's what we're going to cover. Hi everyone, I hope you're all having a great day so far. If you're new here, my name is Greg and I like to talk about online entrepreneurship. So if you're interested in making money online, feel free to look around the channel and you might find some stuff that you like. In today's video, I'm going to give you a quick and concise overview of the best ways to get started in affiliate marketing, and at the end of the video, I'll even throw in how I personally find the affiliate offers that I promote. So without further ado, let's get started. All right, so right off the bat, there are two main ways that you can do affiliate marketing. One is going to be with your own website, and two is going to be on YouTube. So first, let's dig into your own website. So if you've never built a website before, this will still work for you, and I'll explain why, but the purpose here is to build a website around a specific topic or niche. And then the way that you get your traffic is by showing up in Google. So on your website, you will answer popular questions in that niche or in that topic. So when someone goes onto Google and they're searching for an answer about a question in that topic, your website will show up in those Google results. This is how you will funnel the bulk of your traffic to your website. And although building your own website and showing up in Google sounds really daunting, it's really not that hard to do. So the way that this kind of works in a nutshell is before you do anything, you look into the topics or the niches, and you want to find one that has a high monthly search volume with low competition. So what this means is a lot of people are going on Google every month and searching for these things, but there are not a lot of other websites showing up in those search results. So if you start providing those answers on your website, you will show up in the Google rankings. So once you've researched the category or the niche, then you start building your website. Now, this is a very important step that goes one of two directions. You can either use WordPress to build your website, or you can use Wix to build your website. Now, there are other website builders that you can definitely use, but these are the two that I definitely recommend using, and I've used both of them. Now, the difference between the two is WordPress is a little bit harder to build a website, but it's cheaper each month. Wix is extremely easy to build a website, so if you have no experience, that's the one that I suggest. However, it's a little bit more pricey per month. Now, with that being said, I've made a specific tutorial for WordPress and a specific tutorial for Wix that I'll link down in the description that'll walk you through every step of creating the affiliate marketing website. And then once you've made your website, there's only one step left, and that's creating the actual articles that are going to go on your website. So in a nutshell, you're just answering common questions in that niche or topic with a few paragraphs. And the beauty of this and the way that it works is while you're writing that answer, you can recommend affiliate products or affiliate services that help give that person the solution. So when you put this whole equation together, people will be searching on Google for an answer in a specific niche, your website will show up, they'll read your article, get their solution, and you might have a product or a service that you can refer them to help with their solution. That is seriously the extent of a niche affiliate marketing website. And again, if you want a tutorial on how to make the affiliate marketing website with WordPress or Wix, those links will be down in the description. Now, moving on to number two, and that is using YouTube for affiliate marketing. Now, the reason that I recommend YouTube is because it's a search engine just like Google. Now, I understand that not everyone prefers to be on camera, and if that's the case, then I definitely recommend starting out with a niche affiliate marketing website, and that way it's all just text and you can type it out at your own convenience and comfortably at home, and you don't have to be on camera. However, if you are comfortable being on camera, you can follow the same process that we did for our niche affiliate marketing website, but with YouTube videos. So what this looks like in action is answering those same common questions that people have, but in video format. And then you put your affiliate links down in the description. And the best part of both of these is that both Google for your affiliate marketing website and YouTube for your videos get so much traffic each month that you don't need to start with an existing following. All right, so now that we've talked about the two best ways to get started in affiliate marketing, now I want to share with you how I personally find the affiliate offers that I promote. So this website is called smartpassiveincome.com, and it's Pat Flynn's blog, and this is where I personally find the affiliate offers that I promote. So if you come to smartpassiveincome.com and you click this little graph in the top right corner, it brings you to his income report. So in previous years, Pat Flynn posted an income report of how much he was earning per month and from which affiliate offers. So if you click on any of these, I know they are a little outdated, but still it'll serve its purpose for what we need it for. So if we click on any of these, and then if we scroll down pretty much to the bottom of the page, it'll bring you to his income breakdown. And then this is what we want to be looking for. So along the left side are the affiliate offers that he was promoting, and then one line over, you can see how much he made that month from that specific affiliate offer. So this is the resource that I use. You can click right onto these websites and you can see their affiliate program, and you can see if any of these products are something that you have used previously or something that you could research heavily to recommend to other people. So this is where I recommend finding affiliate offers. Remember, that's smartpassiveincome.com. All right, that's it for this one. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions at all, let me know down in the comments, and I'll see you guys in the next one.